lot of time, hello again guys. Today we're going to talk about the new Outdrive system that I have been developing for some time now. The concept is simple, a full 3D printable Outdrive system that outsources only parts like the gears, bearings and axles. The concept mimics a design of the offshore electrics Outdrive system, but with a small twist. Yep, you guessed it. The main idea here was at the lower leg. Instead of rotating the entire unit, only the submerged section turns. This enables the motor to stay fixed and reduces the need for couplers to achieve steering. Let's now go and see the design in Fusion 360. The engine has three main parts that are screwed in place in the lower and upper unit. Here we can see the lower part that has on it the propeller. There are two bearings inside, one embedded while printing and one close to the threads. Next we see the upper part that is again the same, screwed in place and has two bearings on it. Afterwards we see the third part, which is the mechanism that allows the engine to rotate the way that it rotates. This part consists out of two more additional components that are either metallic or plastic. The metallic version has two conical metallic bushings made out of brass embedded while printing. The lower cone has a lip that holds the upper unit in place to the lower, and the plastic version has cones integrated into the upper unit and in the screw. And of course, a TPU cap covering everything up. That's it for the most part for the assembly. Let's now go and see some sea trials. The sea trials were performed with a 3S battery and a motor of 3000 kV with a dummy boat to test the whole setup. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. More videos will come out of this engine. Of course, the STLs can be found on Cults and Thanks. Thank you very much, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next one.